Hi, this is Mimi. Welcome back to my channel, and it is September 3rd. So it is the third day of September Build a Journal, where we build a journal one day at a time all through the month of September. It's a challenge I came up with to help you have an easier time to make a journal if you're a novice or you just don't want to have to think about it and you still want to make a journal. It happens. Okay. So if you don't know what I'm talking about, I will link down below the playlist for September Build a Journal and also the introductory video. So you can watch that video and figure out what the heck I'm talking about. So we're on day 3. Day 3 is choose your signature items, i.e. envelopes, paper bags, vellum, doilies, etc. Okay, that means yesterday's video, hold on, let me grab it. In yesterday's video, we talked about choosing your signature pages. So you should have literally chosen your pages for your signature. These are mine. I'm doing a fall themed. So you should have chosen all of your papers. However many papers you want. I have 16. That is enough for me to do a 31 days in a journal, and I am doing this journal for October. This will be my October journal, so you could see this junk journal in action through the month of October. Okay, so that's what I chose. That's my theme. That's what I chose. But now we want the little extras. Okay, and the little extras to me are the things that set your journal apart from everybody else. You might want to choose some doilies. You might want to choose to add paper bags or envelopes or cards or vellum or anything like that. It's extra pages. Now, personally for me, they will not be used as extra pages. They will just be used as extra journaling spots or decorative spots in my journal. Okay? That's just me. You will probably love journaling on them. I've always loved journaling on these. Okay? I love journaling on them. But for me, I knew my birthday is in October. And every year on my birthday, I end up cutting out like product packaging for whatever it is that people give me and putting it in my journal. So I know I need a little bit more space for my birthday. So, oh my gosh, I can't reach. I pulled out a paper bag. This paper bag I stamped. I have a video, I'll link it down below on how to stamp on paper bags. So this paper bag will get folded up and go in my signature. That way I have a little spot to add extras, and I would like this in the day of my like my birthday. So when I put together my signature, I have to think of that, and then this one will get sliced, and this will also be a little pocket on this side. So then I'll have pockets in my journal. Okay, so that's my first extra signature item. Next, I pulled a piece of vellum. Okay, this vellum, when you wrap it around another page, look at that. It just softens it, makes it pretty. I'll probably pull out a few more pieces of vellum. I will not like do anything on this vellum. It's just, for me, this vellum is just decoration. I could cut out around here if this was the page I was doing it on, so you could see the coffee mug clearly and have everything else. But this is vellum. I'm going to use vellum. I'll probably pull out 2 or 3 more sheets. I only pulled out 1 for some reason. I don't know why. So vellum is another one of my additions. Then I have a card kit over here that I've never used. Like, I don't know why I bought it. It was really cheap, but it's a card kit and it's sitting there and I actually don't like it. So I've just been pulling stuff out of it to use, and I found this green plaid card base. This will go nicely in my journal on a page like this. Then this gives me space to journal here, and like this I could then still leave plain, right? Because this page is so pretty. If I don't feel like I want to put anything on it, I can just journal on this card. Okay, the other side, the opposite side's a different pattern. It's a very weird card set. I would never get it again. It's just weird that there's 2 different patterns on the card, but whatever. This one I would probably cover, but this green one just matches perfectly with this fall. So that's my another extra that I'm going to be putting in my journal. And last but not least, I have some doilies. These are paper doilies. So let's go through this color here. Matches there, so we'll pull that one out. What other colors do we have? We have brown, so let's pull out a brown. I knew it was more than one. This is one. Okay. We'll pull out a brown, and then what other colors can go? Oh, how about we have orange? Okay, and let's see what else. There's white, there's yellow. Let's do a white, or no, should we do the green? The green look okay? I don't know. We'll pull it. If we don't use it, we don't use it, right? And then a white. These doilies I got on Amazon. I will link them down below. I believe they're always in my storefront. They were very cheap. And the yellow. And you know what? I think, let me look. Let me look. I think this dark pink might work. I think. We'll see. We'll see. Like I said, when I go to put the signature together, if it doesn't work, I'm going to put this under the table so you don't hear the crinkling, but I want to put them back in the bag because I have a habit of losing these doilies. I'm not going to lie. I just found them. I haven't seen them in months and I just found them. Okay. So yeah, look at that pink. Looks really good up there. So how I would do the doily is, once again, fold it in half. Okay. And just add it to the signature. So you just have a little something there. Or add it here on the page. Okay. You can even just add it on the page. I would glue it down on this side and leave this side free flowing. But that's then how you add a doily. Okay, so for today's homework, you're just going to choose your other items. And there are so many other items that you can choose to go in here. This is just what I thought to put in and what I'm going to use. Okay, so there we go. And I will see you tomorrow on the 4th for the next installment where we're going to add stuff to our pages. Okay? You guys have a great day. Like and subscribe, comment down below, and let me know what your other signature items are. Or is there stuff that I forgot about? Because I might have. I tried to come up with a bunch of stuff, but I'll be honest, I'm a little brain dead today. But yeah. So come back tomorrow and see how we're going to be adding texture and all kinds of things to our journal pages. Have a great rest of your day, you guys. Oh, also, don't forget, use the hashtag MPBuildAJournal2023 in your posts across all social media platforms, except Facebook. I forgot to tell you that. I'm not on Facebook anymore. I got rid of my Facebook. So if you post on Facebook, I won't see it. Sorry about that. But anywhere else, I'll see it. Okay? Thanks, you guys. Have a great day.